Hey, Scott with SkipperBud's up here in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. Here we have one of our newer trade-ins. It's a Bayliner. It's a 2022, so very late model, very low hours. See that beautiful red gel sitting on a single axle trailer here. It's got an Alpha drive on it. We'll go up inside here. Got a nice little walkthrough here. Got the nice tan interior, so very, very luxurious looking feel to it. Nice little swing set seat here. Nice open bow area. Lots of room. Boat's equipped with the 4.5 liter, 200 horsepower engine. It's rated for 8 people. Nice functional dash. Jensen stereo, so plenty of with Bluetooth, so listen to your favorite music out on the water. Does have lots of storage throughout. So yeah, there you have it. If you have any other questions on this boat or any other boat that we have in our showroom, let us know. Give us a call.